Hello, kindergartners. We're doing ELA Superpowers Unit Assessment Compare and Contrast. Our learning target for today's lesson is, I will compare and contrast the napping house and creak said the bed. So I'm going to compare. I'm going to look closely for things that are the same, and I'm going to contrast things that are different between the two books, The Napping House and Creak Said the Bed. Our success criteria for today's lesson is, I can write or draw and say two or more things that were in Creak Said the Bed, were in The Napping House, and that were in both stories. And then I can write, draw, and say an answer to, why did the bed break? So I'm going to, on my paper, write or draw two things that were just in Creak Said the Bed. And I'm going to say what was just in Creak Said the Bed and just in The Napping House. And then what was in both. And then I'm going to answer the question, why did the bed break? Go ahead and tell someone today's learning target and success criteria.